YouTube affiliate marketing for beginners. Hey my friend, my name is Justin Temple and welcome to this video. And by the end of this video, you're going to learn exactly how you can build a profitable YouTube channel as a beginner. No tech skills, no fancy video animations, just like this, money maker, right? So, hey my friend, my name is Justin Temple and I've been a top 200 affiliate out of over 100,000 people following the strategy that I'm about to show you right now. And I was able to use this strategy to make some money, and then I took that money and reinvested it into paid traffic, okay? So you can use this to start to accumulate your first few sales and then reinvest that into paid traffic to scale up, okay? So YouTube affiliate marketing for beginners is a very simple process, all right? First of all, you can click the link in the description below to get my 100% free YouTube mastery course for home business entrepreneurs, okay? Wouldn't you like to be able to make simple videos like this, sitting at a bench, I'm at home right now, sitting at my bench, and just make videos like this, talking to people. It's called attraction marketing, okay? I'm putting my video and myself in front of people that want to search for this information, okay? So I'm not sitting out here saying, oh, I'm like learning stuff and I'm such an amazing person that people want to come to me. No, I'm just making a video and putting it in front of people that want to see it. So if you want to learn how to do that, click the link below. All right. But what you're going to learn in the link below in detail, I'll briefly summarize it for you. Okay. So the first step to YouTube affiliate marketing for beginners is to actually start to learn how to do keyword research. Okay. Keyword research will allow you to find keywords that get searches and allow you to make videos about topics that people are searching for. Okay, so you don't want to go viral. You don't want to hope that someone, shares your video with, famous people. That's not how you build a business. What you do is you rank for videos or rank for keywords with your video. And you don't even have to rank. You just got to make a lot of videos. So you can either rank number one or on the first page of Google, or you can just make a lot of videos. Okay, so a lot of massive action will overcome the skill barrier. Does that make sense? So YouTube affiliate marketing for beginners is about taking massive action, okay? And I suggest you take massive action towards keywords, okay? I said the tip number one was keywords, but I guess the tip number one is take massive action, because if you do that, you can overcome the skill barrier, okay? But you do need to do some keyword research and you do need to apply some skills, okay? If you don't have any money for backlinks and SEO, that's fine. Massive action by creating multiple videos over the months will overcome that, okay? You can still succeed without having SEO budgets and things like that. So tip number one is to take massive action and make a video a day, at least one video a day, and consistently build your channel, and do that for 90 days, okay? Now the next step is to learn some keyword research so that you can actually make your videos about things that people actually search for. That's how you get views, okay? And so the last step is to actually have a sales funnel, okay? You need a capture page, a thank you page, and your affiliate offer, all right? So if you need to learn how to create videos like this, I have a free YouTube mastery course in the description below. Click the link now and get access to that now because it's free, okay? And I teach you exactly how I do videos like this to attract people to me and make money, okay? No income results guaranteed. I don't like to share income proof in these videos because the reason I don't show income proof is because of marketing reasons. And it's because if I show you income proof of me sitting here, you're gonna instantly subconsciously think that you have to do the same thing to make money. If I show you that I have an income check, which this isn't an income check, it's just a piece of mail. Okay, I'm not lying. It's just Desert Schools. Okay, I'm not fluffing or anything. So, but anyways, what I'm trying to say is the reason I don't show income results on my open YouTube channel is because if I show you that I have income proof, that means that you think you have to make videos with income proof to succeed. And you don't have to do that. You don't have to fake it till you make it. Okay, so that's why I don't do income proof in my affiliate marketing videos, because it lets people know that you have to do that to succeed, right? If I'm calling you, if I'm cold calling you on the phone and you've never spoken to me, and I'm trying to sell you on how to make money online, you're probably gonna have to cold call because that's what I'm doing, right? And you know that. Like that's that's an immediate subconscious reaction to the make money online niche is, oh, you make money online doing that? That means I'm gonna have to do that too, right? So I'd like to make simple videos like this to help people understand that they can make money in affiliate marketing. They can build a YouTube channel in affiliate marketing, and it's not too difficult. You don't need income proof. You don't need anything like that. You just need knowledge and skills to share with people, and the income will follow. Okay. I did get a sale the other day. Got a sale. I got 2 different programs. I got a sale in each of them. So no income results guaranteed, but I do get sales, and I don't like to show them because it creates a subconscious barrier in your brain that's like, oh, well, if I make a video, I got to show income proof in my video, so how am I going to do that, right? And so it's like, boom, you stop your business and you stop taking action, right? But what if you can make simple videos like this? No, they just you talking and people join your team, right? So that's a lot easier. That's a lot less barriers for people to understand. So YouTube affiliate marketing for beginners, take massive action. Go ahead and learn keyword research, and go ahead and apply a sales funnel, capture page, thank you page, offer with email marketing. Okay, so that's how to succeed in YouTube or affiliate marketing with YouTube. I appreciate you watching this video. Make sure to click the link down below and get my free training. All right, I will teach you how to build a YouTube business. I will teach you how to build a YouTube income for affiliate marketing. Okay, even if you're a beginner or an expert. So my friend, I appreciate you being here watching this video. This has been YouTube affiliate marketing for beginners. And if you want to learn more and master the skills, click the link in the description below now, and I will give you my 7-day training. It's 7 days. I send you an email a day, and every email leads you to a video that I teach you exactly what I do. Very simple. All right, my friend, my name is Justin Temple, and I will see you on the inside. Click the link below now, and I'll talk to you soon.